Hello everyone and welcome to Stock Picks by Tim. We talk stocks, brand new channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Cleanspark and earnings coming up Monday. So let's get into it. We have an estimate of 7 cents earnings per share, revenue of 15.2 million, and let's check it out here, okay? Right now we're trading after hours at 14.16 and feeling pretty good about it though. Feeling pretty good about this stock. Definitely, I have a feeling they're going to do pretty good on earnings. Last earnings, they smashed it. They beat by, I believe, 20 cents. Like, estimate was like 3 cents or something, and they ended up with like 24 cents a share. Pretty decent. Can't complain. Trying to figure out where the hell I saw it. But anyways, so I want to get into also the acquisition. I mean, this is old news. We all knew this was going to happen, but it's finally complete, followed through and got it. They've done everything that they've talked about doing. But check it out. So they acquired the facility in Norcross, Georgia, 87,000 square feet. Quite interesting stuff. We'll see if they can reach the 18 Bitcoin a day though, because as more miners come out here and, you know, the gold mine rush, so to speak, this could turn into maybe 16 a day, 15 a day, I'm not sure. But either way, let's check it out, huh? So 100% net carbon neutral. Quite interesting. Elon Musk, hey, you know, so much for Bitcoin being so horrible, right? 17 to 18 Bitcoin a day. So that's about it. I mean, that's really pretty interesting stuff. They did make this acquisition. This was news that came out on August 10. So Tuesday. I know it's a couple days later, but still worth mentioning. They're following through and doing everything that they said they'll do. So let's just say let's be conservative and say they're making 16 Bitcoin a day by then. This will be three months or so from now. So 16 times that by, let's be conservative this whole time and say Bitcoin only stays around 40,000, even though it's at almost 50. Say 16 times 40,000 in one day, projected to make about 640,000, okay? Times that by 30 days in a month, 19 million, excuse me, yeah, 19,200,000. Now let's times that by a quarter, 3 months and a quarter. You're looking at $57,600,000, guys. And let's go back to the estimate. 15 million in revenue for the quarter. This quarter, I think, will beat it. I mean, this is obviously future. We're talking about in the future, you know. But what do you think the estimate for next quarter will be? Is it going to be 576 million? And mind you, this isn't all they're doing. They also have microgrid. And also we have this news way back in February 24, so a couple months ago, you know, that they acquired SolarBot, okay? And I noticed, you know, people talk about their solar business and microgrid. I feel like they're just really ramping up into it. So here we have word for word by the CFO. We anticipate that the acquisition will contribute approximately 20 million in revenue over the next 12 to 18 months. Potentially more as we expand into additional territories. And this was in February, so we're 4 months into that, 12 to 18 months. You know, we're working towards it. We'll see what actually happens here. We might have something with these the earnings coming up Monday. You know, it might shed some light, or their conference call after earnings. So you know, you definitely want to listen to their conference call coming up after earnings, and I've been trying to do that with as many companies as I can, just kind of getting the little nitty-gritty details. It definitely helps. Now here's one thing I was really thinking about doing here. It's kind of risky during earnings, but I'm feeling pretty good about it. Last earnings they did good, and it was very slept on. Like no one seemed to care. It completely just like tends to fluctuate with Bitcoin. Now we're getting this weekend rally. Chances are Monday Cleanspark could have a rally. But here's one thing I'm looking at. I'm really thinking about selling a put for $12.50. I mean, it seems like we have a pretty good support. It almost hit close to 1250, bounced right off. It also has to do with Bitcoin's fluctuation. But, you know, it seems like people really like it at that, you know, at that price. It just has a ton of support. 12, you know, so in my opinion, I would definitely be comfortable with selling a put for, here, I'll just pull it up on my phone here. So you're looking at a 1250 put, break even of 1215, max profit of 35. All right, let me show you guys real quick. Oh, shit. Check it out. My phone's a piece of crap, but so sell a put, 20th of August 21. So by Friday, you'd make a quick 30. If I can get that on there, you make a quick $35. Max loss of 12.15 if you're forced to buy that stock if it hits that 12.50 strike. Your break even is 12.15. You'd be spending that plus your premium that you get to keep either way. So I really do like this. Seems pretty easy money in my opinion. I mean, it's 35 bucks, but you can do multiple if you feel very confident. I've already got some shares, you know, of thinking about it, but I don't know. But let me know what you guys think, or if you guys are interested in options, any kind of options videos. But yeah, I mean, good stuff coming our way with Cleanspark. You know, they're acquiring more miners, they're making moves. It's still a, what, 400 and something dollar market cap company. Let's check it out. So, let's see what we got here. We're looking at currently a $482 million market cap. And in a couple months, look at that. $57 million that's over the potentially maybe Q1 of 2022. We might see that. So I mean, a couple quarters ahead. But think about that. That's a quite considerable amount of money to make considering your market cap. So I'm feeling pretty good about Cleanspark. You know, I know it has a lot of retail support. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think. Thanks again. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what kind of next video you guys would want, what kind of stocks you guys are watching. But thanks again, as always, guys, and peace. Alright, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I actually got something real quick to update you guys with for those that love crypto. I'm a big fan of crypto. You know, I try to stay to about maybe a 10-20% portfolio size. You can go more crazy, but I like to stay diversified, have little stocks, have little crypto, etc. But anyways, quickly, before I go, I wanted to let you guys know that this news just came in yesterday. The U.S. Treasury Department says that they won't go after crypto entities that don't meet the tax code's definition of a broker. So the whole regulation, crypto amendment fear that it didn't get passed, and Bernie said no because of the military thing, spending, defense thing they're trying to do. Anyways, so that news is behind us. We're good to go. No worries about crypto miners having to be called brokers and all that bullcrap. So, very bullish news for crypto. Thanks again, guys. Take it easy. Deuces.